If you consider engine assembly lines, we will be able to produce one engine in 62 seconds. Sometimes in 17 seconds also we produce the parts for the main assembly lines. Currently, we are deploying approximately 700 plus vision systems globally. We have a team of 25 engineers. Currently, we are catering to the 11 countries where the project is going on. We are really specialized in machining lines, battery pack assembly lines, that is EV. We work from module assembly to the battery pack assembly, and we have done that for a number of customers globally. The bigger challenge is to produce the parts or the sub-parts for the vehicle assemblies and car manufacturing in a smaller time without failures, and the line availability should be 90-95%. So that is the main challenge we face in this world of automation and robotics. What do we do in robot guidance systems? This is basically 3D cameras. Of course, we are using Cognex cameras a lot to do these kind of applications, because Cognex cameras are really useful when it comes to different standard make of robots. The integration of cameras and robots are very easy. What happens is you need to pick up the parts from the donnages, and donnages are not accurate. The donnages which we get delivered from different suppliers to the line, so those are not accurate. So you need to know the exact coordinates of the parts to be picked up by the robot, and while doing so, these cameras will play a major role. When I say that we have a good partnership with Cognex, we are getting a really good support globally. So Cognex do have their fixed 2D code readers, AI-based camera systems, 3D camera systems, fixed scanners, handheld scanners. Cognex is really helping us with that 2D code technology. So 2D code reading, QR code reading technology. And they have a big portfolio in that area also. So that is also we are utilizing for the traceability of the line. And the best part is they have developed some softwares like EtherInspect for specific big OEMs in the industry. So that software is really helping us to reduce the cost, to deploy the systems in time, and at the same time, customer related interfaces already been established in that system. So that is really helping us to reduce our proving time on the sites. In the future years, we really wanted to go into thousands of vision systems because we really wanted to become the top 3 automation company in the world. Cognex will play a major part in that for sure.